Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss compound interest. So first, let's look at part 1. For certain types of investments, such as certificates of deposit, you earn interest only after many years. Consider this function here. F of x equals 1,000 times 1.24, and then we have x to the 12th power. What does the 1,000 tell you about the investment? The 1,000 is the initial starting amount that you deposited. So the beginning balance. What does the 1.24 tell you about the investment? This is the rate of growth. What does x over 12 tell you about the investment? That tells you the number of times the investment compounds per year. So I see the 12 here. That means it compounds 12 times per year, which is monthly. What will the investment be worth after 12 years? So this is part D. In that case, x is the number of years. So x is the number of years since the investment account opened. So we want to do f of 12 is equal to 1,000 times 1.24. And then as an exponent, we have 12 over 12, which is just 1. So go ahead and take out your calculator and do 1,000 times 1.24. And that'll give you the amount after 12 years. And again, I'm going to rewrite it this one more time as 1,000 times 1.24. And 12 over 12 is just 1, so I'm leaving the exponent off. And I get 1,240. So the investment will be worth $1,240. Finally, part E. How long does it take for the initial investment to double in value? So we want to know, when will f of x equal 2,000? So in that case, I write 2,000 equals 1,000 times 1.24 times x over, or to the x over 12 power. We can start by dividing both sides by 1,000. And we have 2 equals 1.24 to the x over 12 power. Now I'm running out of space, so let me readjust here. Perfect. So from here, let's rewrite this as a logarithm. I know that log base of 1.24 of 2 is equal to x over 12. So this is 12 times log base 1.24, 2 equals x. And I'll type that into your calculator. And you get x is approximately 38 oops, that's too messy, 0.667 years. So I'm going to say approximately 39 years. And we can check our work really quickly. So to check, try f of 39 to get 1,000 times 1.24 to the 39 over 12. And you get, this is 2,287.79. So the investment has indeed well over doubled at this point. And again, 39 is an overestimate, so we should be over double here. If you want to check it and get closer to 2,000, then you'd need to do f of 38. And I'll do it to 2 decimal places. 67 is 1,000 times 1.24. 38.67 over 12 in our exponent. So in your calculator, take a moment, pause that video and type that into your calculator. And now that you've typed that in on your calculator, you should get that this is approximately $2,000.10. So again, either check would work. This one will give you a little more peace of mind to know it's exactly doubled, but as you can see here, if we overestimate, we'll get over double the amount.